RBC Avion Visa Infinite. My honest review and user experience. Is it worth it? If you're someone who travels frequently or loves collecting rewards, you've probably heard of the RBC Avion Visa Infinite. But is it actually worth it in 2025? I've been using this card for over a year and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong. They think Avion points are like any other travel rewards. But the surprising truth is they're far more flexible. You can redeem them for flights on almost any airline with no blackout dates, which gives you freedom most travel cards don't offer. When I first got the card, the welcome bonus was impressive, around 35 points after spending a set amount in the first few months. It was enough for a short-haul flight right out of the gate. The earn rate is 1 point per dollar on most purchases and 125 points on travel-related spending. The real highlight, though, is the redemption system. You can book directly through the RBC Avion portal or transfer points to partner programs like British Airways or WiseSat. When I transferred to British Airways Avios, I got excellent value on international flights, a major win. Benefits include comprehensive travel insurance, purchase protection, and even access to Visa Infinite perks like hotel upgrades and dining experiences. However, there is an annual fee, which might make some people hesitate. Here's my take: if you travel at least once or twice a year, the perks and flexibility easily justify the cost. But if you rarely leave the country, you might not get full value from the card. In conclusion, the RBC Avion Visa Infinite is one of Canada's most versatile travel credit cards. It offers strong rewards, excellent redemption options, and solid insurance coverage. If travel flexibility matters to you, this card absolutely delivers.